Hey, what's up guys? Anyone know where I am? Here's a hint. Yo, what's up? So, Kenneth here, undercover at the SUSS open house. So despite being a Saturday, Terence and I will be checking out the different open houses at the local unis since the A Level results were released yesterday. Yep, so I've done the SUSS open house. It was pretty run-of-the-mill. Just a typical bunch of booths with brochures and head of programs giving talks. But then got some cool swag. That's pretty much it. Okay, so it's 6:30 and I'm just waiting for Terence, and we'll be heading on to SUTD for the night fiesta. Hey.